们是同一班。
他们也是中国的吗？
当然不是中国人，
他不是中国人啊，
他们都是学中文。
我刚才以为是他是中国人。
Get a load of this. Good morning YouTube, Jake here, back with another video. Today we are doing something a little bit different. I'm going to do a day in the life of video, but today we're not actually doing class as per usual. We're doing some sort of boating activity and we have to go to Xiamen to meet up for it. Xiamen is about 30 minutes away by car, so currently I am going to meet my friends at the east gate and we're going to get a taxi there. Go a little bit earlier so we can wander around and see Xiamen a little bit before we actually have to get on this boat. So anyway, come along for the ride and let's find out what this activity is together. Here is one of the dorms. That's the Sanyao, that's where we pick up all our packages that we order off Taobao, which is basically the Chinese Amazon. Looks like they've been doing some serious gardening. They're also doing some serious watering. Oh, I can smell it. It smells wonderful actually. Freshly cut grass. So hard to find sugar-free teas. There we go. It's a sugar-free tea. So on all the exits to get out of the university we've got these face scanners, which I will show you in a short moment.
你哪里的？
我是澳大利亚人。
澳大利亚，
澳大利亚，
澳大利亚也是很好的地方啊。
还好，
很好。
小美也是很好的地方。你去过澳大利亚吗？
没有，我没出过国。
没出去。
我基本上这边当地，没出过比较远的没出过。
啊，好。
你是过来这边读书还是不是吧？
读书。
这边读书的。
学中文。
学中文。
对。
哦，那你要多讲，多交流，很快多交流很快学会。你讲的比较听得懂，很多我这边很多学生还不会怎么讲。
哦，谢谢。那我打算留在1年。
留1年了，那1年你多交流，多去跟他沟通，就很快学会。
很好的办法。
对。
我们是同一班。
哦，同一班的人。哦，那很好。他们也是中国的吗？
当然不是中国人。
他不是中国人啊。
他们都是学中文。
那他们也学得很好哎。我听他。
谢。2个菲律宾来的，一个日本来的。
哦，我刚才以为是他是中国人。
We're all very excited because this is the first time having McDonalds in China. Fun fact, McCafe was born in Melbourne, Australia. 谢谢. So just like every other place in China, you have to scan a QR code to get anything done. Alright, what do I feel like here? If you're interested in how I actually navigate this without people who speak Chinese, is I just take photos of it, translate, and figure it out like this. Snow vegetable porridge, pork fillet, egg and wheat flour. Yep, we don't have this in Macca's in Melbourne. And we are done finally. As you can see, everything takes longer when things are in Chinese.
Okay, number.
啊，
Please check in your number.
谢谢，可以说中文。
Sorry，
啊，那没关系，没关系。
不太怕担心你们听不太那个。
我们是下这个
081
啊，可以。
OK， 会有些看哦。
谢谢。
这个糖和奶，您如果需要的话，
不要，谢谢。It's very nice of him. He tried to speak English to me.
Really?
Time for the taste test of my cafe. That is actually not bad.
Okay.
I'm genuinely impressed. They put tomato sauce on it.
Tomato sauce?
Does it usually have tomato sauce?
Not ketchup?
Oh, like ketchup, sorry.
Oh,
Same thing. Ketchup usually has ketchup?
Yeah.
Okay. Ours don't, usually.
Australia doesn't have.
Not usually. I don't think so. Can't remember. Ah, yes. The management room. The management room. Just in case anyone was wondering, yes, they are all still squat toilets in most of the public toilets in China. They do have urinals though, and little slogans just to keep you entertained. And also, do not drink the induced water. I plan not to. We have our own little fan club here. All the locals congregating, asking us for photos, where we're from, what we're doing. Never gets old, I tell you what. 今天的课。
体验课。
对，他是我的老师，在前面。
哪个老师？
前面。
前面。中文还挺好的。
Alright, we are ticketed up. Let's get on this boat. All right, on the way for food. I'm hungry.
你好，吃什么呀？
你的有肉的招牌菜是什么？
招牌菜牛肉的，红烧牛腩可以吗？
好，可以。
可以可以哈。那你点完了，发票有点完了，你找个座位坐一下。
同一个吗？还是？
没关系，你们不要付钱，你们就点就可以了。
哦，好。
告诉他你们要。
小黄牛这里，小黄牛在这里，小黄牛好了。
I love it. Group activities.
Yeah.
By far the hardest ticket purchase I've ever had to make. Beware, if you are coming to the Xiamen Botanical Gardens, buy your tickets beforehand. Smile, Lena. Still on the south side of the park, and we have to line up to get on a bus to go to the west side of the park.
上车速度一点，抓紧时间，不然5点后植物园的天马上就黑了，等一下就什么都玩不了了。所以你们动作，我们现在开始全程都下山了，手都抓好了哈，所有人手都抓好了。好，来注意听我说哈，手上的全程票不能丢。哇哦！
对 I know, right? That was intense.
Everyone hold on to the handlebars now.
I reckon that was worth the 10 kwai just for that. It's an adrenaline rush. That is a lot of cactus. Cacti? Cacti. That is a lot of cacti. They are huge. That is quite a feat what they've done here. I don't know where half these trees are from, but it really looks like they've gone to town, just bringing them from all over the world. These look like cherry blossoms, but I don't think they are. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm having fun. Not that I wasn't before. Not that I wasn't before, but I'm definitely having fun. Okay, we've made it to what I believe is Banshanguan lookout point. Get a load of this. I'm gonna get a drone shot of this.
门口就好像下去出去走5分钟就有巴士。5分钟
啊，谢谢谢谢。谢谢你们。对对，这个是家，应该是风，可能是风 ，maybe 山峰。
对，
后，这个还有后。
And we've made it to the West Gate. We've had an awesome day. I hope you've enjoyed coming along for the ride. If you have, give it a like, give it a subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!